Do you feel stressed and anxious all the time? Do you wish you could relax and enjoy life more? Sandalwood, ashwagandha, and tulsi are three powerful herbs that have been used for centuries in Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine from India. They can help you reduce stress and anxiety by normalizing cortisol levels and calming the nervous system. Sandalwood, ashwagandha, and tulsi can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They can balance hormones and improve ovulation in women. They can support your cognitive function and memory by protecting brain cells from damage and enhancing neurotransmitter activity. Finally, sandalwood, ashwagandha, and tulsi can promote your skin health and beauty by moisturizing, soothing, and healing the skin, as well as preventing infections and acne. Try sandalwood, ashwagandha, and tulsi today and experience the benefits. For more information, get back to the person who sent this to you.